Hi everyone, it's Wu Laoshi here. I would like to give you a brief navigation tour to show you some of the most important areas of the course, which are the home page. That's what you see on the screen right here. Notifications, announcements, modules, and discussions. Let's start with the notifications. On the left side of the screen, please click on the account icon. Click on Settings. Then in the Ways to Contact section, you can update your contact information by adding another email address or a cell phone number here. Then click on Notifications. Here you can tell Canvas what and how often you would like to be notified. And I recommend that you have a notification for announcements, grading, submission comment, discussions, and conversation messages. Now let's go back to the home page. You will see the course navigation menu on the left side of the screen. So this is the course navigation menu. And on top of the menu, you will see announcements. And this is where you will find my announcements with the most recent one on top of the list. You will also get a notification of the announcement if you have that set. Next one is modules, which is the main area for the content of our course. The modules are designed to be accessed in the order that the content items are organized. You will click on the first content page of a module. Then you are presented with the information on the page. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see the Next button. Just click Next to go to the next page. You will continue to click Next to go through the module one page after another. Doing it this way will ensure you to see all of the pages of the course that you need to. Okay, next one is discussions. You will see our first discussion, meet and greet discussion here. This is also your check-in assignment. Please make sure you complete it by Wednesday, August 28th. All the discussions in this course are designed for you to have your first initial reply by the end of the Wednesday and have replies to peers by Saturday. If you click on the discussion tab, you will also see our Q&A forum. I would like to encourage you to post questions related to the course in the Q&A forum, as your peers may also have the same or similar questions. Then everyone can benefit from the answers posted here. If you have questions or issues that are more personal, please use the inbox here to contact me. Alright, hope this navigation video is helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions.